Hey kids, welcome to my studio, and this is my drum set. So I get asked a lot how to play a basic beat on the drum set. Well, I'm going to show you one that you can use in practically every style of music there is. Almost. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to tap eighth notes with our right hand. Okay, now we've learned that in class by saying pizza. You remember? We'd fill up an oven full of pizza and we'd say pizza, 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 pizza. Well, we're going to do that with our right hand, like this. Pizza, 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 pizza. Pretty simple, right? Good. Well, from now on, instead of saying pizza, I'm going to count. I'm going to say 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Just say the word and between all those numbers. And it sounds like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, you got it? Okay. Now, the next part is we're going to tap our right foot on beats 1 and 3. And then we're going to tap our left hand on 2 and 4. That's it. So now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like that. Now we need to put it together. But let's just do the hands first. So if we're tapping our eighth notes, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, I want you to play your left hand on beats 2 and 4 with your right hand, like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay? You practice that over and over again. When you have that down, next we're going to play our right hand and our right foot. Remember, the foot is on beats 1 and 3. Okay? And it sounds like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Just like that. Okay? So when you put it all together, it's going to sound like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Got it? Okay. Well, when you try to put it all together, your right foot and your left foot is going to want to play with your right hand and everything else. So you break it back down simple. You just go to the hands. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Then your right hand and your right foot, like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. When you get that, keep going with that, and then think about where your left hand's going to play. You don't have to play it yet, but think about it. Think about beats 2 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and before you know it, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Then, if it still's difficult, take it really slow. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And if you keep practicing it, don't worry, you'll get it. So now, let's take a listen to what it sounds like on the drums. So now on the drum set, you're going to play that right hand pattern, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, on these cymbals. These are called the hi-hats. And it sounds like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Just like that. Your right foot plays on 1 and 3. And now it's going to be on the bass drum. That one. And it sounds like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 4 and then you take your other hand and you play the snare drum, opposite of the kick drum, on 2 and 4. So if I just play my hands, it sounds like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Just like that. Now, if you put it all together, it sounds like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. Just like that. Pretty cool, huh? Now, if putting it all three instruments together is difficult, you can change it around. Just play the bass drum and the snare drum. Do that over and over again. Then just go back to the hi-hat and the bass drum. You got it. And then just focus on the hands. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and when you're ready, put it all together. Go as slow as you want. That's pretty slow. That's okay. A lot of music is slow. So that's how you play a basic drum beat, and it's used in practically almost all styles of music. So I hope you enjoyed that. We'll see you next time.